Hey guys, welcome to my channel. So finally it came. So I've been looking to change my AKs to a folding stock AK, but it's expensive, almost one third of the price. So if you're gonna if you're gonna buy a folding stock, you need to buy the whole stock and the adapter itself that will replace your rear trunnion. Okay, so after researching online, I came to this brand also, Vism. Okay, and I have a spare MagBull stock, and I decided I'm gonna keep this until I found something that will help me fold this aluminum stock. I like this stock now, the aluminum stock. So for the meantime, I'm gonna change my PSA AK stock, which is the MOE Magpul MOE stock. It's a fixed stock, doesn't fold, but it has a compartment on the top. That's where I keep extra ammo. You can hear it. So this is the before, and because I cannot show you how to put this together, I'm just gonna show you later the finished product. So PSA AK with Magpul MOE stock, and by the way, safety check, nothing there. And this folding adapter or stock folds to the left. So I don't know if it's gonna be a problem with my my mount. So it's gonna fold this way. We'll see. So this is the before, and with the power of editing, I'm gonna put everything together. Alright guys, so this is the Magpul MOE fixed stock. I forgot how to open the top. This is the thing that you press to open it up. Don't force it. Okay, so I'm gonna put this away, and this is the finished product. I like it. I'm gonna tell you, I like it. It is made of polymer, but it feels solid. It is solid. It locks up like this. Towards the inside, it locks towards the inside, which I like because I want to shoot the gun folded, so I don't want it to interfere with the safety or the ejection from the spent casing. And what else? Yeah, so much smaller. Now I'm thinking if I'm gonna change my muzzle brake to a shorter muzzle brake. Let's see, and I have to. You don't have to, but I did shaved off some of the materials from my scope mount. So I use a Dremel. Okay, especially the sharp edge, because it's hitting my stock. Just a little bit, and I'm just gonna paint it. So now I have an adjustable stop. 3 point 2 3. That's it, 3. And adjustable folding stop. Almost perpendicular. If I remove the scope mount, it's gonna be perfect, but as it is, it locks up even though there's a scope mount. So there you go. I think this is a good, I suggest, highly recommend it. This is a good option affordable option to convert your fixed stock to a foldable stock or whatever you like. So this is a Magpul stock. Okay, so like I said, it is polymer, but it feels solid, not flimsy, not airsoft grade. So lock it up. And has a QD mount on the other side. Okay. So there you go, guys. The Vism AK folding stock. Just buy your own actual rear stock. Very affordable and highly recommended. Look at the profile of the gun now. It fits in the screen. If you lock it like this. Okay. It will not open. That's it, guys. If you like this video, please click like and subscribe. And thanks for watching. Bye.